Never did.
Only.
How?
In Limpopo,
It's just like
it's
me.
very complicated.
It's just he likes me.
And there's languages for everything.
There's
There's Tsonga for mechanics. Special.
Never did.
Tsonga
No, Tsonga
for
do
medicine. All whatever you want, you speak.
and then Pedis for the police station. Because my police are like my pede. Arrest. No, arrest.
Baro tshwere ke mang? Ke warrant officer Buti Justice.
And they must teach you everything. No one will like what. I want the capital sound longer.
Anyway, 99% Zulu Comedy. It's on tonight. And Lihle, you were doing some kind of chocolate. I thought you were a school kid.
Oh, thank you. It means I'm a thespian. You need thespian, guess a Zulu. Yeah.
I was telling you. This Google thing is fun.
Yini?
Thespian.
Ay, amakama lawo. Ngesilungu those are gums. Thespian. Ay, come.
But they never got a long corner. Hey.
Yeah, you want my idea. No, I told my idea. This is a family-friendly show.
So, guys, is it just 3 of you? Is there more? Because usually minimum is supposed to be 20 comedians.
Minimum.
Yeah.
When usuke uye ku festival.
Yes,
Go one night. Yeah.
Comedy on the sky.
With your broom.
But why? It's not a stereotype.
I was 99% witchcraft comedy.
Yes, there's overseas now. But Tshepo a few months ago, but it's a Kiani, you know.
Yeah.
Must figure that Kiani, it's totally different. You know when you're in pre-street, them about like, what's this? What's a secret socks? Hambangale. Heart attack, lightning. That's what they say.
You come stroke.
Overseas.
Yeah, but there's it's the 3 of us. Lihle, Smokey, Nina Hasty, we have Sensei, we have Felix Proper. We have the only black ventriloquist in South Africa. In Africa, I think.
Yini ventriloquist in Zulu.
Sambamba. Yini ventriloquist in Zulu. No, yeah, we have.
Who is this guy?
Chick Eljoy.
Yeah.
International, all the way from Zim.
International.
And he's one of the people who've got 3 gold bars. Go SA's Got Talent. 2nd November, you must vote for him. SA's Got Talent. Check him out tonight at Gold Reef City, 99%.
All right.
Yeah, but for this case, no value, so that people can vote.
Oh,
We can't say it's no value. So it's no value. People must vote. We have.
How are these guys treating you? Are you okay? As a lady, it looks like you're the only lady in this thing.
She's one of the boys.
Hey, you see, I have to deal with such things. But it's fine. They can go on. Then
They say 2 wrongs don't make it right.
Okay, guys. Now that I know you're not from Guyana, where are you from? Let's start with you.
born and raised in Soweto, and my mom. Ufuna ngisho ngoba sizosho the same thing. Okay, born and raised in Dofaya and with Smokey.
Oh, you're both from Middleland?
Yeah.
USS, United States of Soweto.
Okay.
Mapene plaza abantu baseSoweto. Ubeza ngokubuza ukuthi iJozi lala likuphi? iJozi lala eForce Lawrence iJozi lala likuphi?
No.
Mazokhuluma ngekasi lamabhuku.
No, Sethosa, you're right. Yeah, no, people in Soweto are done. Like,
Never.
As soon as you get a text, you start panicking. It's like, hey man, it's a Pitori, man. Meanwhile, the person is in Randburg. No, because how about you? Also, you are too Soweto live high.
Kuphi?
Everything. Unalio.
I mean, again,
Exactly. Everything is there. There's
everything
no
is
need
there.
for them to go anywhere.
Namhlanje
Oh, so
sisemahlabathini,
you are eating
ke.
us jealous.
Yeah.
No, I'm
no,
stating
no,
the
no,
facts.
Oh,
Kulmama facts, no, facts.
where is the mall of Phosphorus?
No, in Phosphorus is no more. Phosphorus, we just have RTPs and the freeway.
In one street.
No, but at least the East End is on top of the townships. They Tembisa, you know, they had a tornado. I got a figure. So these people are ahead of their time, you know. Mandos, we are having a tornado.
Okay, guys. So, what time does it start and how much do we pay? It's not something that you guys are supposed to know, because if you know it, you'll demand more money. Or do you?
Yeah. I want to say like one of the comedians.
Yeah, like South Africa, comedy show, it's kind of 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, so please, by 8 o'clock, we're going to share it. We're going to take it away. No, 150, I'm going to get it. I'm going to get a copy ticket. Yeah, 150. Also, my name is Lindzy, Tshepo, Sethosa, Sugar all joy, and Morgan Poppy, my name was about corner, my overseas, my comment there, was about corner, I was smoking my name. It's okay, yes,
It's on tonight, 99% Zulu Comedy. We shall meet you guys there. That's Lihle Msimang, Tshepo, Sethosa, Smokey, Nyembe.
Yes, sir. Ice, can I ask?
Please, yeah, go ahead. Why are you asking with the baby voice?
No, I want to ask because
Yeah,
I love radio and I listen to different types of radio stations.
Yeah.
I haven't heard your laugh because every radio jock has their laugh.
Oh.
You know, because
Some people come to my belly,
you know, everyone has a laugh. Even the time right now is 18 past the hour. No, that one I need to say.
Fresh.
You know, what's your laugh? What's your laugh?
Listen, one day it'll come out.
Okay, one last question.
Yeah.
Maybe you can clear your throat.
I do this every second.
And some other guy in some other radio station has a similar voice. So I think because the trend, Melu Chief, maybe first part nyana.
Okay.
Just to do sugar. Because in my name, just.
But
Yeah.
just ice.
Yeah, what's this?
We didn't get ice, masingenela simthola
It
amanzi
was
nje
just
phela.
water.
Apha manje bathe just ice.
Well-
Masifika okay, it's H2O but it's
We are
not ice.
saving electricity.
Oh.
By not
Money pay, mama pay.
Okay. The frozen water must fall.
Great,
Yeah.
okay.
The frozen water must fall.
Okay.
8 o'clock tonight, Gold Reef City. Comedy
Alright.
is not a joke.
And I know some of the students don't have accommodation, so you can go sleep there for a couple of hours.
Just a couple of hours.
Until the taxis arrive.
Thank you, guys.